We just made a patriotic red, white, and blue cocktail. Guys, if you're looking for a drink this 4th of July, you're gonna wanna try this out. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I am your host, Jason. And for today's video, we're making a patriotic red, white, and blue cocktail. There are lots of recipes for these out there. They're way easier to do when they're frozen because frozen's much easier to layer than just liquors. Most of them don't think about the taste of the drink. They just focus on making red, white, and blue. I'm gonna go in with the goal of making a red, white, and blue cocktail that actually tastes pretty good. We got blue curaçao for the blue. We've got grenadine for the red. Those just kind of are what they are. They're very sweet. So let's see if we can make something in between that works well together. So we're gonna start this out. You want a nice, tall, skinny glass. We have our Brad Fox glass, which has the nice red, white, and blue flag on it. Red and blue flag on it. We're gonna start with grenadine and we're gonna do it before the ice because as we just learned, it does not layer or not go all the way down on its own. So about an ounce of grenadine in the bottom there, give or take. We're gonna add a completely full cup of crushed ice. You wanna fill this all the way to the top. Here we go. And again, you could use many options here for the middle. You could use vodka. Vodka's boring. You could use seltzer. I don't like seltzer. So we're going to use some tequila, a little bit of lime juice, excuse me, and a little bit of seltzer in there, our original seltzer mixed with that to make basically a tequila seltzer and lime with some sweetness added to it. Should work well. So we got a shaker here. We're going to have some ice already in there. We're going to add some lime juice to it. Nice healthy squeeze of lime juice. Nice little pour of tequila. We'll call it about 1.5 ounces or so of tequila. I'm not measuring it, as you can see, just kind of eyeballing it. Don't need to shake this, just give it a couple of quick swirls. Tequila and lime pair so well together, it's okay if it's not fully saturated or cold. We got a full thing of crushed ice here, that'll keep it cold. Then we're gonna add a little bit of seltzer right away to that. Now we're definitely not gonna shake this. If you shook this up, it would explode on you. Seltzer's carbonated, but we're gonna use the shaker to actually help us pour this out. Pop the lid on there. Little trick you can use is you can use a bar spoon. Has the fork on the end for picking out fruit out of a cup. Has the spoon for mixing. The middle here is twisted, and that is for this purpose right here. I'm 50-50 at doing this. Let's see how it works this time. You actually can pour down, let me get this ice out of the way, pour down the middle, and in theory, we should, here we go, that's actually working better than I expected. I mean, I planned that out. So you guys, you can see it's kind of running down and spitting down the spoon, and it's creating our white layer, which is really just a clear layer, but in a red, white, and blue cocktail, that's all you need. And we're gonna go about maybe 2/3, 3/4 of the way up with our white layer, because that's our booze, that's what we're looking for in this drink. Now, for our blue curaçao, when you're layering anything, the most sugar content is gonna sink to the bottom. In this case, our grenadine is literally basically just sugar water. That's gonna go to the bottom. Blue curaçao is super sweet. It's very low alcohol. It's only, what, 15% alcohol? 24% alcohol, a little higher than I thought, but still very low compared to most spirits. It's a liqueur. If we just poured this straight in, I'm pretty sure it would mix down right away. So actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of that to our mixed drink here. A healthy amount because the color is the important part for this. Blue curaçao just, again, tastes sugary, it's sweet, not a lot of good flavors to it. So we're gonna mix it with that little tequila lime seltzer mix we have in there already. You know what, I'm gonna top this off with even a little more crushed ice. The ice does help with the layering. And then I'm gonna grab our little bar spoon again, and once again, try to see our hand if we can get this to pour. Very happy with the way that's coming out. Looks like a rocket pop, doesn't it? Remember those? Yeah, we're getting some dilution there for sure, but that's okay. Again, my focus here wasn't to make the perfect red, white, and blue cocktail. My focus was to make a delicious red, white, and blue cocktail, and I think we're gonna have achieved that. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one out, guys. We have our metal straw here. We're gonna shove that in. As you can see, they all kind of blended together, but there is a nice separation. My wife pointed out it's more red, blue, and white. We accomplished our goal though. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and try that out with the layers. If you aren't careful here, you're going to drink just grenadine. So we're going to get just a little bit of each flavor there. That's delicious. It's a tequila soda with lime, tequila seltzer with lime, with a little bit of cherry sweetener in there, pomegranate really with grenadine, and it's a delicious drink. So guys, if you're looking for a patriotic yet delicious red, white, and blue cocktail for this year, go ahead, try this one out. You won't be disappointed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please follow, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon, guys. Cheers.